This is our mode. Lots of klezmer repertoire is based on Jewish modes. So it's not minor and major that we're used to. It may sound strange for people with classical education. Things like this. Try it. Just chuck them in. Yeah, experiment with it. So we'll, yeah, just try. We'll sound like a beautiful klezmer kapella, like a big community. Yeah, bye 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 bye. Yeah, bye bye.